friends, welcome to Mitty's Kitchen. Today we have another nice new session, and this is all our favorite one, right? And which is Bhajiya, Bhajiya, lot of things we call it with that. So I have 2 cup of besan flour, half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ajwain, half of chili powder, and for the taste half of each garlic and ginger paste. So now we will add it to our besan and we can mix it well. And we have to make sure we will add little bit of water, so we will make sure there is no lump inside. So friends, the first part is done, that our batter is taking rest. I have mixed very well. So the second one is, I have this green pepper, which is 4 of them, and it's really nice, very tasty, is not spicy at all. So for the green pepper, I have some mix for that. I have roasted gram flour and 1 tablespoon of I add it to the tamarind, and also I will add cilantro in it and just a pinch of salt and sugar. So we will add everything together. And at this point I think I have to use my hand so I can mix it well and fill it in the pepper. Friends, you can see that I have stuffed all green pepper very well, and we have to put it inside so it don't come out. And anyways, it is batter coating, so it will not come out. But you can see that it's really very tasty because of the sugar and sour, and that it makes the better taste. So now that's our second part of the cooking is about to going done. So friends, now our all ingredients is ready, all pakodas item. I have, this is the green chili which I made with the mint, cilantro and green pepper, and I apply on that. This is, I showed you already, green pepper. This is ripe banana, we really love it. Also onion, and here I have potato and also boiled eggs. So let's we start. It's really nice multiple variety of it. So I will start with this bread pakoda. All you need to do this, and we have to make sure it's not much batter coming with that. I will keep little bit of medium, so you can see that is so now you can see that our green pepper is ready. ready. You can see that green pepper is slightly long, so you have to add but it is really very tasty, like sometime end of the day when you are really tired and something you feel like to eat, that's the best snack. Now we are making last our eggs. So eggs, I have add some black pepper in it and it's really tastes so well. So what we will do, we will try to keep it as much as yolk on in the eggs, but you know that you never know. But so friends, now you can see that our platter is ready. This is the bread with that mint sauce on it, chutney like a. This is a green pepper. This is onion. This one is eggs. This is banana, and also this is potatoes. So you will really enjoy this multi ingredients in it and it's really very tasty. So I hope you like these recipes and please share with the friends and family, and if you have not subscribed, please do that. It will help to someone also. I will be back again with another simple recipes. Until then, have a blessed day.